In the heart of India, during a time of chaos, oppression, and division, a voice rose, not with weapons, but with truth. It said, "There is no Hindu, there is no Muslim, there is only one God." That voice was Guru Nanak, and what he started would become one of the youngest and bravest religions in the world, Sikhism. This is the real story of how Sikhism was born, and how it gave rise to a brotherhood of warrior saints, fearless, faithful, and free. And that's when a man named Nanak is born in a village called Talwandi, now in Pakistan. From a young age, Nanak questions rituals and injustice. At 30, he disappears for 3 days, and returns transformed. He says, "There is no Hindu, no Muslim, only the Creator." He rejects idol worship, religious conversion, caste system. Instead, he teaches, Ek Onkar, one universal God, equality of all humans, hard work, sharing, and remembering God. Equality of all humans, hard work, sharing, and remembering God. His message spreads. He travels over 30,000 kilometers across India, Makkah, Baghdad, Tibet, spreading peace, and so begins Sikhism, a way of life, not just a religion. Guru Nanak passes the light to 9 more gurus, each one building the foundations of Sikhism. Guru Angad introduced the Gurmukhi script. Guru Amar Das fought caste by making all sit together in Langa, community kitchen, and Guru Ram Das and Guru Arjan built the Golden Temple, compiled the Guru Granth Sahib. The Mughals, especially Emperor Jahangir and Aurangzeb, saw Sikh influence as a threat. Guru Arjan Dev was tortured and killed. Guru Hargobind wore 2 swords, of spiritual and temporal power. The Sikhs began to defend their faith, not just with words, but with arms. In 1699, the 10th Guru, Guru Gobind Singh, created something revolutionary. He formed the Khalsa, a spiritual army of saint soldiers. He gave them the 5 kiloseconds, kesh, uncut hair, kara, steel bracelet, kandha, wooden comb, kachera, cotton shorts, kirpan, sword. He removed caste from Sikh identity. All men became Singh, lion, and women Kaur, princess. Sikhism became a force for justice, fighting tyranny, protecting the weak, and serving humanity. After Guru Gobind Singh, there would be no more human gurus. The holy scripture, Guru Granth Sahib, became the eternal living Guru, a book of divine wisdom, poetry, and equality. It includes writings not only from Sikh gurus, but also Hindu and Muslim saints, a symbol of unity in diversity. Belief in one God, rejection of rituals and caste, strong values of seva, service, and equality, blending of spiritual devotion with physical courage. Sikhs are taught to meditate, work honestly, share with all, stand up for the oppressed. From quiet prayer halls to fierce battlefields, from humble beginnings to a global faith, Sikhism was born not to rule, but to serve. To fight not for land, but for justice. To teach not just religion, but humanity. This is how a small voice in Punjab became the roar of the Khalsa, and how Sikhism rose through love, truth, and bravery. Like if this story inspired you, comment your thoughts. Did you know how Sikhism truly began? Subscribe for more untold stories from religion, culture, and history. Dear friends, I need your support to grow my channel. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.